Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And I say our channel because it is our channel. And today, finally, it's been here over a week. We have our Boxycharm, and I just haven't been feeling good, so I've been waiting and waiting to open this, but finally today I feel good, so I'm gonna open this, and when I open it, it looks like this, and we have our card, and it says Afterglow. I'm going to be putting on my glasses, and excuse me, no makeup. And on the back it says everything we have, and the first thing on the list is this guy, and I hope the lighting is good because this is really like natural light, and it's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna smell it because everybody smells their mascara, and it says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates, coats, curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extracts sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. Okay, I want to try this. And I know probably everybody has unboxed their boxes, and like I said, I'm very late, but I've been mainly in bed, not feeling good, so finally got to feeling better and said, well, let me do this, and we're gonna be trying this on. I know some people like it and some people don't like it. Me, lots of times I put on my makeup, forget to put on lashes, forget to put on mascara, so I'm not complaining. And we'll see how this wears through the rest of the night. And I want to put on as much as I can without, I really want to see if they make my lashes and I don't know if you can see a difference. Let's go ahead and put on more. And it says that this mascara is retailed at $24. I'm going to see if I can zoom you guys in. And this is the packaging. And let me see. Oh, it doesn't want to zoom in my camera, so I'm going to just come closer. I'm sorry, I'm trying to fix the camera here because I see that I'm like cutting my head off. And my son-in-law gave me a tripod, the big tripod, but it's like missing a piece, so he's got to look for it. And I'm using the tiny little tripod, so I have it on my vanity. I did order a bigger tripod for the table, for the vanity, but so I have you on a small one, so excuse me if I do cut myself off. Okay, next thing we see here that I see inside the box is the No Porblem primer, and it says here this is value at $18, and it says create a seamless canvas for your foundation with our new Touch and Sew No Porblem primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Sorry about that. And it retails for $18, like I said. And all I have on my face is moisturizer, so I will put some of this on. I don't know what it smells like. Let me see. Oh, it does smell good. It smells, oh, like, it smells nice and clean. And it feels nice. Oh, it smells so good now. Now that I'm putting it on, it smells so good. I like to, once I rub it in, I like to like press in, especially where I have my pores are more defined. And this smells so good. Feels like a silicone. Feels very nice, and I like the way it smells. And then the next thing we have in here is, I forgot to tell you guys, I have variation 3. So the next thing we have here is this. And this says FARMACY-Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. And it looks like this. And it says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt. excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new FARMACY-Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. And this retails for $22. Let's see. And this has a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it because I have other cleansers that I'm using right now. Okay, and there's 2 more items in here. The next we got is from Trestique. Yes, Trestique. And it says here, Glaze Lip Crayon. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft shiny color. And this retails for $25. Let's see. This is the primer. And then this is the color. And I said, did I say what color we had? English Rose. So let's try some of that on. And we're going to start with the primer. Primer feels like a chapstick. Nothing fancy. And then we're going to put this on. Let's do that. This is what this looks like. I thought it was going to be darker, but it's not. So I'll definitely use that. Well, this is what that looks like. And last but not least, I think that's the last thing, yes, is this beautiful packaging, and feels very light. And this is the Pretty Vulgar, and it says Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness, and this retails for $32. And let's see. And this is what it looks like, and I believe the shade is Shimmering Swan. Let's see, we're gonna try this on. And I'm going to use one of my, can't see that, my Luxie brush, and It's the 660. It says Precision Foundation, like this, but I don't use that for foundation. So let's see. Oh yes, beautiful. And I don't know if you guys could see that. I can definitely see it. And let's go ahead and add up these products. My nose itches. Okay, the Better Than Sex mascara is $24. The highlighter, Pretty Vulgar, which I just used, is $32. The Touch and Soul primer is $18. The Pharmacy-Clean B cleanser is $22. And the TRESTIQUE lip crayon is $25. And that's $121. Wow. So I paid $21, and that's $100 that more than what I paid. And this is a great box, and I definitely am glad I can finally get rid of the box and put my products where they belong, because I definitely needed to do that unboxing. I hope everybody's doing okay, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you can be notified. And I will be uploading another video after this, and I'm just letting you know, because I'll be wearing the same shirt. I'm not going to change. I'm not going to put on any makeup, just what I have on from the Boxycharm that we tried on. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.